We're working with adjectives this week. Adjectives are modifiers or describing words. They modify nouns or pronouns. This means they change the image of a noun or pronoun. You can find an adjective by asking the questions: what kind, which one, how many, how much. So picture a car in your mind. Do you have an image in your head? Now make it red. Make it fast. Make it old-fashioned. Make it broken. Make it green. So these images in your head change every time you change the adjective. So an adjective describes a noun or pronoun. We have examples: happy dog, tired boy, 7 girls. So you find the noun, and then you find the adjective. Most of the time, the adjective is going to come in front of the noun. An adjective answers: what kind, which one, how many. So you have happy dog. What kind of dog? A happy dog. Boy. What kind of boy? A tired boy. Girls. How many girls? 7 girls. 3 happy children played at the park. So we have children, we have park. What kind of children? Happy children. And then here's one they didn't show. How many children? 3 children. We have the donkey stepped on my large hat. What kind of hat? Large hat. The child was brave. What kind of child? Brave child. We saw the gray elephant at the zoo. What kind of elephant? A gray elephant. The rabbit followed the slow turtle. What kind of turtle? Slow turtle. He found 2 pennies on the ground. How many pennies? 2 pennies. The children heard the loud bell. What kind of bell? A loud bell. So now that you know about adjectives, I'd like for you to practice some on your own in pages 136 and 137 in the English packet. I want you to find the adjectives and also see if you can figure out, do those adjectives answer the questions what kind or how many? And you're going to do that all the way through numbers 1 through 13. And then there's proofreading on there, numbers 14 through 19. Go ahead and do that also. For that, you can just find the adjectives. Attached to my Sunday email, I have answers to this page. After you do the things, practice the problems by yourself, go back and check it to see how you did. This is just practice. I don't need for you to send me a copy of this.